Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with this puzzle page. The puzzle page of Saturday, September the 16th, 2023. We have here two puzzles already solved. The 3-star Sudoku, well, it's actually a 2 stars. We have a killer Sudoku also solved. So two puzzles are left. The tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku, and the binary. Yes, let me solve this one, this binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 7108. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. And 27. And it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. And then double one, here no, there no. Then. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Let me think. Come on. Where's the opening? Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. We have 4 ones here. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. If I place number 5 there, then we still have 3 O's in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Then double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Well. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, fourth O. No. What? The first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So those 2 boxes should be a 1 then. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Now, double O, here one, there one, double one, here no, there no, between two O's comes in one, double one, here no, there no, and between two O's comes in one. Finish in 5 minutes. Well. We solve it again without comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.